Team Rocket with 2 cubes ready to score.
Alright.
Team Rocket lining up with the goal, getting one of those cubes, and the Screaming Monkeys dispensing a ton of cubes out in that goal. Team Rocket with some more cubes ready to score. They're lining up with the goal. They drop 1, they drop 2 in. Switch drivers. The Screaming Monkeys trying to get a ton of cubes into that first goal to get another 4-goal bonus. So you must switch drivers. With 20 seconds left, we're going to see if teams can park without getting these red cubes off. Looks like the Screaming Monkeys are going for those cubes. And Team Rocket gets another. All of the red cubes have been being scored. We'll see if either team can get a park off. Looks like Team Rocket is getting the partial park. All right. Moving on to qualification match number 68.